Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the captivating world of Samantha's photoshoot choices part 3. From breathtaking landscapes to urban vibes, Samantha has truly embraced a variety of styles. Let's unveil the magic behind her lens. Samantha's photoshoot journey takes us to the heart of the city. With towering skyscrapers and bustling streets, she captures the energy of urban life. From gritty alleyways to vibrant city lights, each frame tells a unique story. The actress immerses herself in the tranquility of nature. Lush greenery, serene lakes, and majestic mountains become her canvas. She takes a nostalgic turn, infusing her photos with vintage charm. From retro fashion to classic cars, she transports us to a bygone era. Samantha's artistic flair extends to the realm of dramatic silhouettes. Against the backdrop of a setting sun or a city skyline, she skillfully captures the essence of her subjects in striking shadows. Unveiling the storyteller in her, Samantha dives into conceptual photoshoots. Each frame tells a narrative, often with symbolic elements and thought-provoking compositions. Less is more in her minimalist photoshoots. Embracing simplicity and clean lines, she crafts images that evoke a sense of calm and elegance. Her lens is a bridge between cultures as she explores diverse themes and traditions. From vibrant festivals to cultural celebrations, she captures the rich tapestry of human experience. The actress effortlessly nails the everyday glam look. Her makeup choices for casual outings strike the perfect balance between simplicity and elegance. Soft, neutral tones, minimalistic eyeshadow, and a touch of dewy foundation contribute to her fresh and radiant appearance. Samantha isn't afraid to make bold statements. Dramatic eyeshadows, sultry eyeliner, and bold lip colors become her arsenal for creating show-stopping looks. Each red carpet appearance is a testament to her makeup artist's skill and her willingness to experiment with striking colors. Her signature smoky eyes have become iconic. Whether it's a classic black smoky eye or a sultry brown variation, she knows how to enhance her eyes to create a captivating gaze. Her smoky eye looks often complement her diverse sari choices, creating a harmonious ensemble. One thing that stands out in her makeup routine is her commitment to achieving that radiant glow. Her skin always appears flawless and luminous. The strategic use of highlighters, dewy foundations, and well-blended contouring adds that perfect touch of luminosity to her overall makeup. From nude lips for a subtle look to bold and vibrant lip colors for a statement finish, Samantha's lip choices are as diverse as her sari collection. She knows how to balance her lip color with the overall makeup, creating a cohesive and polished appearance. Samantha's fresh-faced natural beauty looks are a breath of fresh air. She effortlessly embraces the no makeup trend, letting her natural features shine. Tinted moisturizers, subtle blush, and a hint of mascara become her go-to for those days when less is more. Adding a touch of artistry to her makeup routine, the actress often experiments with monochromatic looks. Coordinating eyeshadow, blush, and lip color in harmonious shades creates a cohesive and visually striking makeup ensemble that complements her outfit choices. Samantha elevates eye makeup to an art form. From intricate eyeliner designs to experimenting with bold eyeshadow patterns, her eye makeup choices showcase her creativity and willingness to push the boundaries of conventional beauty standards. What sets Samantha apart is her ability to seamlessly transition her makeup from day to night. A subtle day look with neutral tones can effortlessly transform into an evening glam with the strategic addition of darker eyeshadows, intensified eyeliner, and a bolder lip color. The actress adapts her makeup choices to reflect seasonal vibes. Whether it's embracing warm, earthy tones in autumn or experimenting with bright and playful colors in summer, her makeup looks always capture the essence of the season. Samantha effortlessly channels vintage glamour with her makeup choices. Whether it's the classic winged eyeliner reminiscent of the 50s or the bold red lips inspired by Hollywood starlets, she transports us to a bygone era while making it undeniably modern and chic. For special occasions, she embraces ethereal fairy tale looks. Soft pastel eyeshadows, iridescent highlighters, and dreamy lip shades create a whimsical and enchanting aura. These looks are a testament to her makeup artist's ability to weave magic with colors and textures. During festivals and celebratory events, her makeup choices become vibrant and festive. Experimenting with bold colors, intricate bindi designs, and striking eyeliners, she captures the spirit of celebration and adds an extra layer of joy to her makeup expressions. Her expressive eye artistry extends beyond traditional eyeshadow and liner. She often explores unique eye art, incorporating crystals, glitter, or unconventional shapes to create mesmerizing focal points. These looks redefine eye makeup as a canvas for true artistic expression. Collaborating with makeup brands, the actress introduces exclusive makeup collections that reflect her personal style. From curated eyeshadow palettes to signature lip colors, she actively contributes to the beauty industry, allowing fans to recreate her iconic looks. Samantha effortlessly rocks the beach waves look, creating an illusion of sun-kissed locks. This relaxed and tousled hairstyle perfectly complements her casual and laid-back fashion choices, making it a go-to for both off-duty days and chic beachside events. For a touch of sophistication, she often opts for sleek and polished ponytails. Whether it's a high pony for a red carpet event or a low ponytail for a more casual outing, her ability to transform a simple hairstyle into a statement of elegance is truly remarkable. Her romantic updos are a vision of timeless beauty. From intricate braided updos to soft chignons, she elevates her look for formal events with hairstyles that are both sophisticated and romantic. These updos often complement her sari choices, creating a harmonious overall aesthetic. Her messy buns are a style staple. Whether positioned high on the crown or low at the nape of her neck, these perfectly imperfect buns add a touch of laid-back charm to her overall appearance. The actress embraces braids and twists in various forms. Whether it's a loose fishtail braid or intricate braided crowns, these hairstyles showcase her free-spirited and adventurous approach to fashion and beauty. Samantha effortlessly channels retro Hollywood glam with her hairstyle choices. Cascading waves, deep side parts, and vintage-inspired curls add a touch of old-school glamour to her red carpet appearances. These hairstyles pay homage to iconic Hollywood starlets while embracing a modern twist. For a fun and playful look, she often opts for chic top knots. Whether it's a sleek high bun or a messy top knot with face-framing tendrils, she manages to turn a simple hairstyle into a fashion statement. This versatile choice complements both casual and dressed-up ensembles. The classic half-up, half-down hairstyle gets a Samantha makeover with effortless charm. From loose waves to braided accents, this versatile style strikes the perfect balance between polished and relaxed. It's a go-to look that seamlessly transitions between different occasions. She knows how to elevate her hairstyles with statement hair accessories. Whether it's adorned with intricate pins, headbands, or vintage clips, she adds a touch of glamour to her locks. These accessories become an integral part of her overall fashion ensemble. Samantha's daring ventures include embracing the pixie cut. With confidence and style, she proves that short hair can be just as versatile. Whether it's a sleek and polished pixie or a tousled and textured look, she effortlessly pulls off this bold hairstyle with grace. Her regal crown braids are a testament to her love for intricate hairstyling. Whether it's a single braided crown or multiple braids woven into an elaborate updo, these hairstyles exude an air of regal sophistication, making them perfect for special events and red carpet appearances. Embracing a boho chic aesthetic, the actress effortlessly pulls off messy waves with a carefree flair. This relaxed hairstyle adds a touch of casual elegance, often complementing her laid-back fashion choices. It's a go-to look that captures the essence of easygoing style. She puts a modern spin on traditional buns, creating hairstyles that are both contemporary and timeless. Whether it's a twisted bun, braided bun, or a bun adorned with accessories, these variations showcase her ability to reinvent classic hairstyles with a fresh and innovative approach. Samantha's experimentation extends to geometric undercuts. This unconventional hairstyle adds a touch of rebellion to her repertoire. Paired with feminine fashion choices, it's a striking contrast that highlights her fearless approach to both fashion and beauty. Her hairstyle choices extend to experimenting with hair colors. From subtle highlights to bold transformations, she showcases a spectrum of hues that enhance her overall look. These color experiments add an exciting dimension to her ever-evolving style. Samantha often elevates her looks with timeless statement jewelry. From bold necklaces to elegant bracelets, her accessory choices are carefully curated to enhance her overall style. These pieces become more than adornments, they're statements of sophistication and personality. Adding a touch of refinement, the actress embraces classic watches with a twist. Whether it's a vintage-inspired timepiece or a modern design with unique details, her watch choices showcase her appreciation for both tradition and innovation. Her handbag collection is a lesson in versatility. From chic clutches for formal events to spacious totes for casual outings, she effortlessly matches her handbags to the occasion. Each bag not only complements her outfit but also serves as a functional and stylish accessory. Samantha's accessory arsenal. Whether draped over her shoulders for a touch of elegance or tied as a headscarf for a bohemian vibe, these accessories add a layer of sophistication and individuality to her looks. Her sunglass collection is nothing short of fabulous. From oversized frames to unique shapes, her sunglasses become statement pieces that effortlessly elevate her style. It's a perfect marriage of fashion and function. Samantha's love for artful headpieces and hair accessories is truly enchanting. From delicate headbands to intricate hairpins, she effortlessly incorporates these details into her hairstyles. Each accessory becomes a work of art, adding a touch of whimsy and individuality to her looks. She uses fashionable belts to cinch dresses, define silhouettes, and add a dash of personality to her outfits. These accessories showcase her keen eye for detail and commitment to polished styling. The actress extends her accessorizing to her feet with ankle bracelets and footwear accents. Whether it's a dainty anklet paired with sandals or bold embellishments on her shoes, she pays attention to every detail. These subtle touches add an extra layer of charm to her overall look. Her hats and headwear choices are a testament to her trendsetting style. From wide-brimmed hats for a touch of glamour to quirky head wraps for a playful vibe, she embraces headwear as a transformative accessory that adds character to her ensembles. Adding a touch of ethereal charm to her looks, Samantha occasionally embraces veils and intricate hair veil accessories. Whether draped elegantly over her head or adorned with delicate embellishments, these accessories lend an air of sophistication and timeless beauty to her overall appearance. Her wrist game is on point with stackable bracelets and stylish arm cuffs. Mixing and matching various textures, metals, and designs, she creates a personalized arm party that complements her outfits. It's a testament to her ability to effortlessly blend fashion and individuality. For special occasions, the actress often dons customized jewelry sets. Matching earrings, necklaces, and bracelets designed to perfection, these sets become exquisite additions to her ensemble. Each piece is carefully selected to harmonize with the overall theme of the look. Samantha breathes new life into the art of accessorizing with brooches and statement pins. Whether adorning her lapel, securing a scarf, or adding flair to a handbag, these accessories serve as small yet impactful accents that showcase her attention to detail. Her skill in layering extends to her necklace game. She expertly combines various lengths, textures, and pendant styles to create dynamic and eye-catching necklace combinations. This layering technique adds depth and interest to her neckline, completing her look with finesse. There you have it, a glimpse into Samantha's diverse photoshoot choices. Urban, nature, vintage, and studio elegance, she effortlessly navigates through them all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.